Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Google Finance app. First, you can easily access Google Finance by logging into your Google account and navigating to the Finance section, or simply by searching for a stock on Google. This powerful, free tool is designed to give you quick access to financial data right at your fingertips. It provides real-time stock quotes, interactive charts, and the latest financial news, making it simple to stay informed about your investments and market trends. Building your investment portfolio in Google Finance is quite simple. To begin, click on New Portfolio and give it a descriptive name, perhaps My Brokerage Account or Retirement Savings. Then, you can easily add your investments by typing in the stock symbol, the number of shares you own, and the original purchase price and date. The app will then automatically calculate your total portfolio value, showing you daily gains or losses, and allowing you to compare your performance against key market benchmarks like the S&P 500. Staying informed about market trends is crucial, and Google Finance makes it easy. You can access up-to-the-minute stock prices, major indices, and other vital market data. The app features interactive charts that allow you to visualize price movements over various time periods, helping you spot trends. Furthermore, you'll receive real-time financial news and company announcements. You can also set up customizable alerts to notify you of significant price changes or breaking news for your tracked investments, ensuring you never miss a beat. Google Finance offers several ways to customize your experience. You can personalize your dashboard by rearranging sections and adjusting your stock preferences to see what matters most to you. For quick access, add Google Finance widgets to your phone's home screen, providing an instant snapshot of your watch list. For more advanced analysis, leverage the powerful Google Finance function in Google Sheets to pull live and historical data directly into your spreadsheets. You can also explore tools like the Stock Screener to discover new investment opportunities.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.